Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make my tomato stew. So actually these are not all the ingredients, but these are the ingredients I'll be blending. So these are the ingredients I'll be blending. I have my tomato here, as you can see. I have my green pepper. I use a lot of green pepper for my tomato stew. And I have here I have ginger. Here I have some garlic. I have onions. I'll be using all these onions for my stew. I love, it's like green pepper gives your stew like a very nice taste. The stew comes out well. So my bell pepper, my chili pepper is already blended. So these are the unblended ones I'll be blending now. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to leave a comment. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to turn on your notification button, so whenever I upload a video you'll be notified. So keep watching to see how this is gonna be. So guys, I'm done washing and cutting all the ingredients that I will be blending. See the onions, well washed and cut. The green pepper, I removed the seed and I washed it very well. The ginger, I scraped the skin. The garlic, I peel off the skin. So you can see all my ingredients are here ready for blending. So I'm going to be blending them now. So guys, I'm done blending my tomatoes and I'm going to be drying it. That's why it's in the pot and the gas is on. I'm going to leave it here for it to dry. Then I will now make this stew. Hello guys, so our tomato is well dried. You can see the tomatoes is dried now, so can now proceeding. This is my chicken. I'll be steaming my chicken now. This is the chicken I'll be using for the stew. So I'll be steaming the chicken. I've already added my spring onions, my onions. So I'm also going to be adding thyme, going to be adding curry, and I'm also going to be adding salt. I'm also going to be adding pepper, not much, and I'm going to be adding curry leaf. I'm going to be adding curry leaf, and I'm going to be adding kitchen glory, Mr. Chef, nut cube, and bay leaf. Yes, I'm going to be adding bay leaf and curry leaf. They both do different things in the pot. It's just like footballers in the field. There are a lot of footballers in the field, but they all play their roles in the field. So that's what that's what curry and bay leaf is going to be doing in this pot. Remember yesterday I told you, I'd already steamed my bell pepper, chili pepper, and store in the freezer. So this is it. That is shombo and tatashi. Yeah, this is it, and I'll be adding it to the stew. So let me begin by adding all those ingredients in the pot. So I am done adding all the ingredients into the pot. So right now I'm going to be stirring it. I'll turn it and mix it very well. Cover the pot for the meat to steam. I'm not going to be adding any water for now, but after some time, when the meat has boiled, I'm going to be adding water because I need chicken stock for my stew. So guys, I'm going to be frying my chicken right now. I'm done steaming the chicken. I'm going to be frying it. This is just onions. I just chop into two and put in the oil. Nothing serious, just for a good aroma. So guys, this same oil I'm using to fry my chicken is still the same oil I'll be using to cook my stew. You can use a different oil if you want, but I am going to be using this oil. So guys, I'm done frying my chicken, as you can see. So I transferred the oil to my pot. I removed the onions that I used in frying the chicken, and I moved my oil to the pot. I didn't bother sieving out the particles because they're chicken particles, so it doesn't matter. So in here I have my chopped green pepper, I have my garlic, and I have my spring onions right here, and I have my onions. I added everything together because I'm going to be frying everything at the same time, so there's no need splitting them. And I'm going to be adding thyme to my oil. I just added thyme. Then I'm going to be adding this mixture, this stuff I cut here, the onions, the green pepper, the garlic, and the spring onions now. Next, so in here I have my chicken stock. I have removed the bay leaf. Please don't cook your stew with the bay leaf. You can if you want, but I just take out my bay leaf because they are done doing what I wanted them to do. So in here I have my chicken stock. This is two chicken stock, the today's one and the previous chicken I steam and store the water in the freezer. So I mixed everything together. So yeah, this is the tomatoes, this is my bell pepper, chili pepper. So this is my no cube, Mr. Chef, star Maggi, star Mr. Chef, and Royco. Then no cube. I will not be adding all this Maggi because I already had added Maggi in my chicken stock, but it depends. So when I'm testing, I will know what I need next. So okay, let's add this. So we're going to allow this fry a bit before adding our tomato and tatashi and shombo. So this has fried enough. I'm not going to allow it to fry to the extent that it will be looking burnt. So right now I'm going to be adding my red bell pepper, tatashi, shombo. And then I'm going to be adding my tomato to it. then I'm going to be stirring it. Please, you're gonna leave this on a very low heat so it won't get burnt. Just leave it on a low heat. You keep turning time to time. Just keep stirring it, keep turning it from time to time on a low heat. So just keep on stirring on a low heat. Just keep stirring it. Just keep stirring. How you know it's ready is when the oil starts separating from the tomatoes. Just keep stirring. Make sure it doesn't get burnt on the bottom. Just keep stirring. Make sure it's on a low heat. Make sure you stir it time to time. You can see my own is almost ready. I like my tomato to be very dry so the stew will be tasting very nice. So I'm going to allow it to dry very well. So guys, my own is ready, like it's dried now. You can see how small it's looking now. It has reduced. So I'm going to be moving it from this pot to another pot because this pot is burnt a little. The bottom is a little bit burnt. So I'm going to be moving it from this pot to another pot. So now I have moved it to another pot. So now I'm going to be adding my chicken stock. I'm going to allow it to boil for some time. Then I'll now taste for salt, for Maggi, and then if those things are not enough, I will now have to add. I have not added anything because of my chicken stock. You know, my chicken stock have all the Maggi, sauce, all the stuff in it, so I cannot just start adding without tasting for it. So I'm going to allow this to boil, then I'll taste for the salt and Maggi later and know if I'm to add more. So guys, it's boiling now. So I'm going to be tasting it and see. So it needs a little salt and just 1 more cube is enough. Anytime you want to open the pot, try to put the gas on low heat so it won't be splashing on you. So right now I'm going to be adding my chicken. It has been boiling for some time now, so let me add the chicken to it. Oh my god, you need to perceive this aroma. Like, this stew is scent, like, it smells so nice. Oh gosh, wow. So guys, this is a close view of what my stew looks like. Can you see that? So my stew is ready, and this is what it looks like. You can have this with your white rice, your boiled yam, your fried plantain, your fried yam, in fact anything at all you want to have it with. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.